So our product and services are well spread across all segments of market.
So what sort of solution Blum India has for the aerospace industry?
When I say all levels, it's OE, Tier 1, Tier 2 and MSME.
So do you think Atmanirbharta on aerospace industry is helping India's aerospace grow?
Quality production can happen in India.
Here in Namma, Bengaluru, and happy to meet Mr. B.V. Shyam, Managing Director, Blum Novotest, India. It's good to meet you, Shyam sir, after a gap of 6 months and a year. Can you let our audience know more about the company? What does Blum does in the country?
Well, Blum Novotest India is well known in the name in India. It's more a new name to the industry and kind of a product and services that we are rendering to the industry. Well, Blum Novotest India, we are present here in India from last 19 years now. As the subsidiary company of Blum Novotest GmbH, we are here from last 13 years. So our product and services are well spread across all segments of market, all sectors of market, and across India. We have our headquarters in Bangalore, added with Pune, Ahmedabad, Manesar, Chennai and Coimbatore as our regional offices. And we are expanding our network further in 2025.
So Shyam sir, we are here, you spoke about expansion, we are here at AeroDef. So what sort of solution Blum India has for the aerospace industry, and what sort of products and response you are getting from the market?
If you look at even here, the machine that is available for the demonstration today, it is equipped with the Blum probing system. And coming to the aerospace industry, is that we are present in all levels of aerospace industry. When I say all levels, it's OE, Tier 1, Tier 2 and MSME. The aerospace industry in India is following the same way of working, that is having different levels like automotive. So we are quite successful in all segments of aerospace industry. So we are growing in aerospace industry, and AeroDef, the defense organizations are growing. The investment from the government of India is highly focused because of the geopolitical disturbance. Every country is doing, and we are not far behind them. And one very important note to take here is that the involvement of the private sector in the defense industry is also growing, like in aerospace industry. So overall, if you look at aerospace and defense, it's going to be a more focused industry for all the segment of industry that is working, like that can be machine tool or accessories or anything associated with the manufacturing. Definitely aerospace and defense industries of a high focus for us, and it's the same with Blum Novotest.
And Shyam sir, government has now focused purely on Atmanirbhar. So do you think Atmanirbharta on aerospace industry is helping India's aerospace grow?
Absolutely. If you look at the purchases used to be overseas purchase. The present day government has taken a very good initiative in inviting and asking the supplier to be a part of the growing industry in India and to be associated in manufacturing, not just selling alone. So this also helps the industry here in India. The OEs are coming. For example, C295 is going to be manufactured in India. That gives such a big space for many of the other suppliers who can be associated, and the industry will grow, which brings in not only the business, a big employment opportunity in India. So overall, if you look at it, it's a pretty good package for the country that we are going to be manufacturing, which is really, you feel proud of it, and many participation of the overseas companies. They want to be present in India, and they are present in India. The trust in India is much higher, so they believe that the quality production can happen in India.
And we are at the last quarter of the year. Though the third quarter for the financial, but the last quarter of the year. What sort of response we have seen in terms of growth and how, as a company, Blum is doing in India?
Bloom, we work from Jan to December. That is our financial year globally, and of course we do follow the Indian financial year, that is from April to March. If you look at, we are at the last quarter of the year.
Yes.
And then we have done quite well, and the expectation is that we should have done even better. That is always there. But overall, if you look at it, it's quite satisfactory in terms of development. And what we are looking at in the future to come is that the implementation of the high-end technologies to the industry in general. And if you're looking at the AeroDef where we are looking at a lot of these technologies like the voltage technology or the surface roughness technology coming to the aerospace or the defense manufacturing. This brings in a lot of process control. That is what we look at, how to bring the process control. It is always good to produce the right part instead of doing a lot of rework. So we bring in a lot of checks within the manufacturing. So that is what is that we are really focusing on.
And you stressed upon growth, and we are next year there is Imtex 2025. So what sort of new technology? What is the preparation about the show, sir? A little bit brief.
Imtex is a very important exhibition, and we have never missed an Imtex exhibition.
Okay.
So this year we are having even a bigger stall as compared to the previous year. Here we are focusing again, as I said, to showcase our high-end technologies in the exhibition.
Right.
So the regular systems, what we are already well established in the market, that is going to be shown on the exhibition. Added to that, yes, we are going to be bringing the technology products to showcase in the exhibition.
Thank you, Shyam, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, do visit Blum Novotest booth at Imtex 2025. See you. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.